Did you know that a well-designed bedroom can actually improve your sleep quality and boost your mood? It's true! Transforming your space can make a world of difference, and today I'm going to show you how. Welcome back to the Basics Hub, everyone. Today we're diving into the exciting world of DIY bedroom makeovers. If you've ever dreamed of turning your bedroom into a Pinterest-worthy oasis, you're in the right place. With just a few simple changes, you can create a space that reflects your style and makes you feel amazing. So in today's video, we'll guide you through a stunning DIY bedroom makeover that's both stylish and budget-friendly. From creative decor ideas to organization hacks, we'll show you how to achieve that dreamy look you've always wanted. Let's get started on this exciting transformation. Now let's talk about the challenges. We've all been there, right? You want to give your bedroom a fresh look, but maybe you're tight on budget or just feeling a bit uninspired. It can be tough to figure out where to start, and with so many ideas floating around online, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Maybe you think, how can I possibly make my room look like those gorgeous images I see on Pinterest? Trust me, you're not alone. The good news is, we can tackle these issues head-on and turn your vision into reality without breaking the bank. Before diving into the makeover, assess your space. Take a good look at what you currently have and decide what you want to keep, change, or get rid of. Next, gather inspiration. Browse Pinterest for ideas and create a mood board. Choose a color palette that resonates with you. Soft pastels, bold colors, or neutral tones, whatever makes you feel at home. Choosing the right colors can set the tone for your entire space. Soft, neutral tones can create a calming atmosphere, while bold, vibrant colors can energize the room. Set a budget for your makeover. Determine how much you're willing to spend on decor, furniture, and DIY materials. Remember, you can achieve a stunning look without breaking the bank. Sometimes, simply switching the position of your bed or adding a cozy chair can change everything. Project 1. Accent Wall. For our first project, we'll create an accent wall. Here's what you'll need. Paint in your chosen color, painter's tape, and brushes. Start by taping off the edges of the wall to create clean lines. Apply your chosen paint color to the wall and let it dry. This accent wall will instantly elevate the room's aesthetic. Once dry, decorate the wall with artwork, shelves, or fairy lights to complete the look. Project 2. DIY Headboard. Next, we'll create a DIY headboard. You'll need plywood, foam padding, fabric of your choice, and a staple gun. Cut the plywood to your desired headboard size. Attach foam padding to the plywood using adhesive, then wrap the fabric around and staple it to the back. Mount it to the wall behind your bed for a custom look. This DIY headboard adds a touch of elegance and can be customized to match your decor. Project 3. Upcycled furniture. For our next project, let's upcycle an old piece of furniture, like a nightstand or dresser. You'll need paint, sandpaper, and new knobs. Start by sanding the furniture to remove old paint or finish. Apply a fresh coat of paint in your chosen color, and once dry, replace the knobs for a modern touch. This simple update can breathe new life into your space and save you money. Project 4. Decorative storage solutions. Next, let's create decorative storage solutions. You'll need baskets, fabric, and labels. Use baskets to store items like blankets, books, or clothes. Decorate them with fabric or paint, and add labels for easy organization. These storage solutions not only keep your room tidy but also add a stylish touch to your decor. Now it's time for the final touches. Add personal decor like framed photos, plants, or candles to make the space feel like home. Adding some trendy wall art, cute throw pillows, or even some fairy lights can really add that Pinterest touch. Keep an eye out for budget-friendly options at local stores or even thrift shops. Incorporating plants can also bring life into your space. They're not only beautiful but can improve air quality too. And there you have it. Your DIY bedroom makeover is complete, and it's now a Pinterest-worthy sanctuary. Remember, the key to a successful makeover is creativity and personal touches. Enjoy your new space. To wrap things up, remember that designing your dream bedroom doesn't have to be complicated. By focusing on color, layout, and decor, you can create a stylish space that feels uniquely yours. It's all about taking small steps and enjoying the process. I want to hear from you. What do you think of the makeover? Have you done your own bedroom transformation? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you love this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more awesome interior design tips. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating.